Hi, I'm Akanshya. In this video, I am bringing to you guys an amazing lip sleeping mask. So, Valentine's Day is approaching and we definitely need soft, rosy, pink, kissable lips, obviously. And this lip mask is actually a potential, or should I say, it's like the closest dupe of the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Trust me on that. So, I'm talking about Ikkai Organic Pink Me Again Lip Sleeping Mask. So Ikkai is basically a sister brand of Lotus, contains 20 grams of product and it retails for 445 rupees. Even though it says a sleeping mask, you can actually use it both in the day and at night as well. So as you can see, it comes in this very pretty jar, a pink colored jar, and the product also is pink in color, pretty much like Laneige, and the texture is very thick, creamy, buttery, and once you start putting it on your lips, it melts like magic and really keeps your lips very hydrated. It has a sweet bubblegum kind of fragrance. How does it feel on your lips? It's very hydrating on your lips, trust me when I say that, and it helps to smoothen out the dry, flaky, chapped lips and make them smooth, soft, supple. It is not at all sticky, and if you apply this overnight, the very next morning you do not see any residue on your lips, and also it does not end up making you feeling greasy, or it does not stain your lips as well. So this lip sleeping mask has a combination of kokum butter and shea butter. Both of these are very hydrating ingredients, and that's the reason why you get such amazing results. It does not has any preservatives, and also it is a cruelty-free brand. So basically, even though it is named as Pink Me Again Lip Sleeping Mask, but do not expect it to make your lips pink, rosy pink, baby pink again. Pigmentation of the lips is a real concern, and you need to see a cosmetologist or a dermatologist to get some real medical treatment done to your lips to get rid of the pigmentation. Just by using a serum, a lip balm, or a lip mask, it is not gonna help. So the brand claims that it can trigger healthy cell regeneration, but honestly I cannot tell you if that's gonna be true because there's no ingredient list. There's one downside of the brand as a whole itself, that they do not disclose the complete ingredient list. You can expect this lip sleeping mask to hydrate your lips, to nourish your lips, to get rid of any chapped, flaky, dry skin on your lips, and to just make your lips, very plumpy and baby soft, but not pink. Why would you even go for that high-end brand and pay 2,000 or 3,000 rupees for the same product, for the same results, right? So I would highly recommend you guys to go and give this a try. You won't be disappointed. It really does what it claims. And yeah, that's it, I guess. I hope it was of some help for you and you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanshya, signing off. Bye.